Yo, what's up guys, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create this cool mount warp rotoscope effect in After Effects. So once I have my clip right here, I'm going to click on it, double click to open up our layer. I'm going to click right here, our roto brush tool, and what basically I'm going to start doing is just start roto brushing Cardi out right here. Make sure you start at the beginning of your clip. So I'm just going to do a simple rotoscope. So once after I'm done rotoscoping the first frame, it's not the best, but you know, this is just the test effect right here. And when you're actually making the effect, you want to make sure you're getting the most perfect details you can get, or at least towards pretty much smooth. So once after I'm done with rotoscoping him out, I'm gonna go right here and click some frames forward and just make sure everything is correct. So I'm gonna have to cut that out. You just want to go by each frame and make sure everything's clean and good. Yeah, once after I'm done rotoscoping him out, you can already see how the effect is. You know, it's not the best, so I'm just gonna feather it out about right here, and I'm gonna put up the shift edge. I'm actually gonna put down the shift edge. So about right here, duplicate our clip right here, and I'm gonna click on new, make a new adjustment layer, make it as the size of our clip, and I'm gonna bring the adjustment layer between both clips. Then I'm gonna go on the bottom clip and get rid of our roto brush effect. So I'm gonna head towards our adjustment layer. Then I'm gonna add s_distort. I'm gonna put the amount on 1.960 and the blur lens at 50. And you can already see like the effect coming out. Next, I'm gonna add s_glow. I'm gonna put the brightness at 2.10 or 2.010. Instead of not actually making a new adjustment layer, I'm just going to duplicate it, and I'm going to bring it up above our clip, and I'm just going to delete the clip right there. I'm going to do effects. Next effect I'm going to add is s_shake. Head towards the beginning, put the amplitude at 3, click on our time watch, open up our keyframe. I'm in a timeline, go 3 frames forward. Then I'm gonna put it at highlight our 2 keyframes and F9 it, ease them. I'm gonna put motion blur on. I'm gonna head towards the beginning of our adjustment layer once again for the white shape, Y rand amp. Open up our timeline. Click on the time watch. Put our Y rand amp at 225. Head 3 frames forward, so 1 frame behind our amplitude, and then I'm gonna put it at 0. Or you can just reset it. It's up to you. I'm gonna F9 ease them. Next, I'm gonna add is s_ultra glow. I'm gonna put the brightness at 1.5 and the threshold at 0.